Indian defense and security solutions company, Zen Technologies, showcased its cutting-edge corner-shot weapon system, CSWS, to the Thai military at the Defense and Security Expo 2023 in Thailand. The CSWS is a highly innovative weapon system that allows soldiers to engage targets around corners without exposing themselves to enemy fire. The system uses a periscope-like device with a camera and a monitor that allows the soldier to see around the corner and aim the weapon with precision. In a move to strengthen its air defense capabilities, Armenia has acquired an anti-drone system from India to counter the threat posed by Turkish kamikaze unmanned aerial vehicles. Acquisition of this advanced technology marks a significant step forward in Armenia's efforts to safeguard its airspace and protect its forces from aerial attacks. The Indian anti-drone system, known as the Drone Defense System, DDS, has been proven effective in neutralizing hostile UAVs. It utilizes a combination of electronic warfare and kinetic interception capabilities to detect, track, and neutralize drones, providing a comprehensive defense against these emerging threats. In a remarkable breakthrough in defense technology, India has unveiled Indrajaal, the world's first AI-powered anti-drone system. Developed by Hyderabad-based Green Robotics, Indrajaal boasts a unique 12-layer AI-powered architecture that enables it to detect, identify, classify, track, and swiftly neutralize drones in real time. This cutting-edge system is designed to safeguard India's airspace against the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. Indrajaal's capabilities extend beyond traditional anti-drone systems, offering a comprehensive solution that addresses the evolving challenges posed by drones. It effectively counters a wide range of drones, from micro-UAVs to large, extra-large drones, and is capable of operating in complex environments, including urban areas and dense forests. Automotive components maker Barett Forge is expanding its focus on the defense business, aiming to secure orders worth 5,000 crore rupees in the medium term. The company is looking to capitalize on the government's push for self-reliance in defense manufacturing and is investing in new technologies and partnerships to strengthen its position in the sector. Barett Forge is already a supplier of critical components for various defense platforms, including artillery guns, armored vehicles, and aircraft. The company has also developed its own range of defense products, such as the Kalyani M4 modular bridge system. India has successfully test-fired the Pralay, an indigenously developed tactical ballistic missile from Chandipur. The missile has a range of up to 150 kilometers and is designed to deliver conventional warheads with high precision. The successful test firing is a major milestone in India's defense modernization efforts and will significantly enhance its defense posture.